Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into the world of raw American muscle with the new 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known as the most powerful three-row SUV on the planet, the Durango Hellcat returns with even more refinement, aggression, and track-bred performance. This beast continues to blend family practicality with supercharged insanity, making it one of the most thrilling SUVs ever built. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat a force to be reckoned with. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat roars onto the scene with a bold and muscular presence that commands attention. The front fascia gets a more aerodynamic design with a larger air intake and updated LED lighting for sharper visibility. A vented hood, aggressive body lines, and wide stance hint at the power lurking underneath. The rear end features a sporty spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and signature LED taillights that enhance its menacing look. Inside, the cabin blends luxury and performance with premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and SRT performance badging. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 producing a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Durango Hellcat rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The adaptive suspension system and performance-tuned steering provide exceptional handling for such a large SUV, while the upgraded cooling system ensures consistent power delivery during intense driving. Despite its size, this Hellcat handles corners with surprising precision, proving it's not just built for straight-line speed. Safety and technology. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat doesn't just rely on brute force, it's smarter than ever. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning. Inside, a large 12.3-inch touchscreen houses the latest Uconnect infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance pages that display real-time data such as G-forces and horsepower output. A premium Harman Kardon sound system and multiple drive modes ensure both comfort and excitement, whether you're on the highway or at the drag strip. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is the ultimate combination of power, practicality, and personality. It delivers supercar-level performance while maintaining everyday usability for families who crave speed and style. With its refined design, monstrous V8, and cutting-edge tech, the Durango Hellcat proves that Dodge's muscle legacy is alive and well. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and first impressions on the hottest rides hitting the streets.